This week marks 1 year since 47 of our neighbors were killed in the Christmas weekend blizzard. That significant part of our history is now preserved in the Buffalo History Museum archives for generations to come. Our Dylan Morello shares the details of this new exhibit. Dylan.
Well, Dave, hundreds of photos, videos, audio recordings, and objects donated by the community after the events of last year's blizzard are now going to be safe kept in the collection of the Buffalo History Museum, all with the goal and purpose of preserving what they say is now a key part of history in Western New York.
It was our responsibility as a history museum to document that and to make sure that this history that we lived through last December was recorded, so that way future generations would better understand, what happened on the 23rd and 24th of December of 2022.
The museum began collecting testimonies, video, and pictures in January following the deadly blizzard.
Still have power. Christmas Eve.
Curating them into the museum's archival database found online. Buffalo History Museum Executive Director Melissa Brown said that the blizzard of 2022 left a mark on our collective memory, and now future generations can grasp the significance of this extraordinary storm through the perspectives of those who endured it.
Yes, we collect from long ago. Yes, our exhibits have objects from centuries ago, but history is happening here and now, too. And it's up to us as a museum, to ask the community to share their stories, their experiences, their memories, their media.
The Blizzard of 22 collection is also part of a broader museum initiative of collecting from the present to create a record for the future, with the museum also showcasing other contemporary collections like chronicling COVID-19, a menu and cookbook collection, and also a historical record of the May the 14th massacre, a community effort that Brown says ensures the importance of today's events will not be lost to history.
So we recognize that these blizzards are this extraordinary moment in time of challenge, of adversity, and of resilience. And so by collecting this history now, not only will we be talking about it to the next generation, but we actually have a historical record now too.
Now, the museum says there are still opportunities to be a part of the collection. You can find a link to submit on our website, WIVB.com. Reporting live in front of the Buffalo History Museum, Dylan Morello, News 4.